Is your manual transmission car refusing to start even when you have the clutch pedal pressed firmly to the floor, or maybe it is starting without you touching the pedal at all? This dangerous situation is often tied to trouble code P0833, which points to a malfunction in the clutch pedal switch by circuit. This switch is a simple but vital safety device usually mounted right under your dashboard on the clutch pedal support bracket. Its job is to tell the powertrain control module whether the clutch is engaged or disengaged, so the car knows it is safe to send power to the starter motor. When the computer detects a problem with the voltage in this circuit, it will trigger the check engine light and might even prevent the engine from cranking. The symptoms are pretty straightforward but annoying, because you might find yourself stranded with a car that will not start, or you might accidentally jump the car forward if it starts while in gear. The most common causes for this are a faulty clutch position sensor switch, a blown fuse, or damaged wiring that has been rubbed raw by the moving pedal assembly. To troubleshoot this, you should first check for any technical service bulletins for your vehicle. Then get under the dash and look for any loose pins or corroded connectors at the switch. You can use a digital multimeter to perform a voltage check. With the clutch pedal up, you should see approximately 12 volts on one side of the switch, and when you push the pedal down, that power should transfer to the other side. If you do not see continuity through the switch when the pedal is pressed, then the switch is dead and needs to be replaced. Always make sure the wiring shows 0 ohms of resistance, because anything higher means you have a bad connection. If you have replaced the switch and checked the fuses but the car still will not start, or the code keeps coming back, you should take it to a professional to check the powertrain control module. Staying safe is the priority, so make sure this switch is working perfectly before you get back on the road.